未成年也未结婚就有新生囝的妈妈，这伫美国有真侪案例。即马伫德州就有一间学校专门收容这有新也是无结婚就做妈妈的查某囡仔。这个妈妈，少年妈妈会当甲囡仔细汉囡仔先带去读册，送去附近的幼稚园，伊家己才安心去上课。啊，若这项措施，毋但会当照顾这细汉囡仔，嘛会当兼顾这少年妈妈，互因完成学业。
17岁的马图斯透早坐校车上课，到位的时阵，都爱先抱身边坐伫安全椅的宝贝查某囝。听后入去学校，已经有其他同款带囡仔的同学伫食早顿。带囡仔来上课，伫一般的学校根本是无可能。啊，毋过伫德州布朗斯威尔这间中学，专门收容无结婚生囝，也是有心的少女。学校内底有设托儿所，或者无结婚的妈妈会当免烦恼，安心上课。
If there wasn't a school like this, it would be very hard for a lot of teen mothers because in regular school it's really hard to like go when you're pregnant and all the kids pushing you and all that stuff. And then in regular schools they wouldn't understand your situation, and here they do.
学生讲，这间学校老师袂甲你批评，颠倒因会甲你斗相共，会当体谅。像讲有当时学生囡仔因为暗时爱照顾囡仔精神无好，老师会温准学生囡仔困10分钟，都是这高体谅心，互学生感觉真温暖。这间学校由德州州政府补助，目前收容53个6年级至12年级的学生囡仔，主要是当地低收入的西班牙语的社区。托儿所有16个名额。
These girls, we're just trying to make sure that they graduate. We want them and their babies to have a better shot at the future, a better chance in the future, more opportunities.
公司新闻詹慧敏编译。